In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming motherboards available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the gaming motherboards mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, X99 Dual CPU Motherboard for Xeon Processors. The X99 Dual CPU motherboard is designed for workstations and overclocking enthusiasts. With 8 DIMM slots, it supports up to 256GB DDR4 RAM for powerful multitasking. Its dual CPU capability enhances computing power, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Featuring onboard RJ45 LAN, USB 3.0, and SATA 3, it ensures reliable connectivity and fast data transfer speeds. A budget-friendly choice for high-performance users. Number 4, Machinist MR9A Pro LGA 2011-3 Motherboard. The Machinist MR9A Pro is ideal for gaming, video production, and office work. It supports Xeon E5 V3/V4 CPUs and up to 128GB DDR4 RAM for smooth multitasking. With 6 SATA ports, dual USB 3.0, and 4-channel memory, it delivers speed and reliability. Whether for gaming or professional applications, this motherboard offers a strong balance of performance and affordability, making it a great choice for diverse computing needs. Number 3, JGINYUE B350i plus ARGB AMD AM4 ITX Motherboard. The JGINYUE B350i plus ARGB is a compact ITX motherboard built for gaming, office use, and overclocking. It supports AMD Ryzen 1/2/3/4/5 series CPUs and features dual HDMI DP outputs for multi-display setups. With 4 SATA 3.0 and 2 M.2 NVMe slots, it offers flexible storage options. The PCI Express X16 slot enables GPU expansion, making it a solid choice for gamers and professionals looking for a high-performance mini ITX build. Number 2, X99 Dual CPU High-Performance Motherboard. Designed for high-performance computing, this X99 Dual CPU motherboard supports LGA 2011 LGA 2011-3 processors. Built on the Intel X99 chipset, it ensures reliable and powerful computing for professionals and enthusiasts. With DDR4 RAM support, it enhances data access speeds, making it ideal for intensive workloads. A great choice for users needing a powerful workstation or server-grade performance at an affordable price. Number 1, HUANANZHI X99 F8 LGA 2011-3 Motherboard Kit. The HUANANZHI X99 F8 is a high-performance motherboard built for gaming, office work, and multimedia applications. With 8 DDR4 slots supporting up to 256GB RAM, it delivers smooth multitasking. Featuring 6 SATA 3.0 and 2 SATA 3.0 ports, it provides extensive storage options. Its 10-layer PCB with a 6-phase power supply ensures stability. Perfect for users looking for a reliable and powerful motherboard for demanding applications.